Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. Today we're going to be cooking okra. Brought over here from East Africa is one of those food staples from the South that sometimes Yankees just don't understand. Okra season typically runs from midsummer all the way to about late fall. Here in California, like most other produce, we are incredibly lucky with the season. Ours goes from almost the beginning of summer all the way to the beginning of winter. We're gonna be giving our okra a quick stir fry with some onions, garlic, and some kimchi. So instead of serving some boring green beans this year, let's serve some okra. Let's get started. I got 3 cloves of garlic here. I'm just gonna slice it horizontally as thin as we can. With these perfect little paper thin chips of garlic. An onion. We got a small sweet white onion here. Always got to clean off that extra layer. All right, so I cut at an angle. This will hold our onion together while we slice. Now just follow the curvature of the onion. Now for our kimchi. This is just regular napa cabbage kimchi. Let's pull it out here. Keep all the liquid. Just gonna give it a nice chop. Now for our okra. All right, how to clean these. All we're gonna do is cut off the fibrous stem piece, then cut at an angle. That's it. Want some nice big pieces. All of our mise en place is done, so let's get into our pan. We're gonna turn it up to 375 degrees. We're gonna hit it with 1 ounce canola oil. Drop in our onions. Give that a quick stir. We're gonna cook it nice and fast. We don't wanna get caramelization in a slow manner. We wanna get some nice char on our onions. Let's add in our garlic, followed by our okra. Now hit it with our sesame seed oil. Sesame seeds in our gochucaro here. Let's give it a quick stir. Starting to need a little bit of color on our okra. Our onions have a good char on them. We're gonna add in half of our seed and chili mixture. Give that a stir. Now for our kimchi. Once the kimchi's in, you're gonna start developing a nice little fond on the bottom. And now we're gonna hit it with our kimchi juice, our soy. We're gonna turn our heat down to 250 and cover it. We'll let this cook until almost all the liquid evaporates. Just give it a check here and there. Give it a nice stir. Oh yeah, it's reducing nicely. It's probably gonna take about 5 minutes at most. See right there, we're almost there. We're gonna check it. Perfect, cut the heat. And go right into our bowl here. No need to be fancy. Now we finish off the rest of our sesame seeds and chili flake. And now for our taste test. Still steaming hot. This was done on a whim. I didn't actually know if this was gonna work out, but it did. Perfect combination. A little bit of that bitterness from the okra, mixing with the acidic nature of the kimchi. The onions aren't completely caramelized. They've just been essentially cooked through, but they still have a little bit of that rawness bite to them. Oh, I could eat this all day. And just a touch of that sesame oil. So for this holiday season, Ditch the green beans and get yourself some okra. If you want to check out the rest of my Sunday side dishes, click right there. And if you want to check out some of my Tasting Tuesday videos where I break down the flavor profile of your favorite liquors, click up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.